My name is Eliott Purcell. I'm playing Konstantin Treplev.
What's that? I don't hear anything. Who's there?
I couldn't be more thrilled to be welcomed by the Arlequin players to be a part of the show. This is just a really exciting project for me, and it's already been a blast. We're just sort of creating and doing something new and doing something exciting for all of us. Yeah, it's a really exciting way to sort of break down Chekov's work. I mean, The Seagull is a show that has been done many, many times over the years, and to just sort of see it with fresh eyes and really break it down to what's most important, what it really has to say about us today. The simple loves and beauties and hardships of life, because it's a really great show that's about abject happiness and wonderful sadness and awful awfulness all at the same time, because that's life. So please come and see The Seagull. We open on November 8th.